Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. Let it snow. I want to get the mail now. In the blizzard. Blizzard, blizzard, blizzard. Looks like I'm gonna have to shovel in the blizzard. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow in the blizzard. The blizzard of 2013 has started. Listen to that wind. Palm Coast looks good now. Palm Coast looks good now. Alright, I'm going to go in now because I'm getting cold. And then I'm going to have to come back out and shovel. So I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, this is the blizzard of 2013. And what I'm seeing now, I cannot believe my eyes. I just opened up the garage door and I can't even get out of the garage. Look at the snow in this house. Look at this. Now I'm going to go outside. I can't even go outside. The car is buried in the snow. Look at this. This is incredible. I don't think I've ever seen in my lifetime snow like this. Of course, I don't remember the blizzard of '78, but this is unbelievable. I have never seen snow like this before. I can't even get out of the driveway. I can't even get out of the garage. Unbelievable. It's going to take about 2 or 3 days to dig out of this easily. Easily. I've never seen snow like this. Look. I just opened the garage door and that's how much snow there is in the garage door. Alright. I'm going to try to do something, but I don't know what I could do with this. I'm going to try to venture down the stairs here. Try to get outside. I mean, this this is unbelievable. Look at the snow drifts. This is nothing like I've ever seen in my lifetime. I mean, I don't remember the blizzard of '78. This is incredible. It's going to take a long time to dig out of this. car is buried in the snow. Hold on, I'm taking the video now.
Take a picture right here. The guy is doing it with the lawnmower. I thought he had a push.
A lawnmower.